Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE CleanSpeak dryer and you're getting an F03 error on the display and the dryer is not drying. The reason that this is happening, and you're trying to figure out what it is and what you need to do to fix it. So first of all, what it is that this is an error with the thermistor, which a thermistor is the temperature sensor, basically the thermometer, that tells how hot the air that's using for the dryer is getting. And so you're going to need to, first thing, before you try to fix it, is to just try to do a hard reset on your dryer, which is just to remove it from power for at least a minute, then restore power. And if this error persists, then you will need to replace the thermistor. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to how you can replace the thermistor. And then also I'll put a link into where you can actually buy the thermistor. You just need to make and check the specific model that you have that it will be compatible. But once you get that thermistor replaced, which is a moderately easy thing to do, your dryer should be working fine.